reducing the time taken to commence data acquisition. Dynascan enables the acquisition of data at vastly reduced times compared to conventional survey methods. Surveys carried out with one- or two-man teams using pole-mounted RTK technology and typically taking 3 days to acquire survey data can be carried out in 1 hour using Dynascan, with many more data points being recorded. Single laserhead and twin laserhead versions are available, with variable rotation speeds up to 20 times per second and a laser firing rate of 36 kHz. 150-meter range lasers are available for both the single-head and X-plane versions, with a 500-meter range laser also available for the single-head unit. All MDL Dynascan systems contain a built-in radio for reception of RTK signals and also have the ability to accept VRS corrections dependent on availability. Alternatively, certain conditions may preclude the use of RTK or VRS corrections, in which case post-processing of positioning data is possible. Interconnecting cables for the system provide connection between the vehicle or vessel power, Dynascan pod, and laptop computer. System power is controlled by an interface adapter, which regulates the voltage and provides the on-off switch for the system. Customers can easily export survey data recorded by the Dynascan system as XYZ point cloud data to their preferred processing software. Options to the basic Dynascan system include cameras, which can be mounted left and right of the pod to record images during the survey. Cameras can be controlled by the software to automatically record data based on a fixed time interval or on distance traveled. Other options include the use of an odometer, which feeds data from a wheel sensor to the INS and aids the INS positioning solution during times of poor GNSS performance. MDL can also supply the option of an RTK base station, capable of transmitting GPS and GLONASS correction. Dynascan is ideal for use in harsh environments, such as the 3D mapping of quarries. The system's rugged design, resistance to water ingress, and fast mobilization time allow it to be used for the complete mapping of a quarry data during these periods. The MDL Dynascan has been designed for asset management, reducing time on site for data collection in what can be hazardous environments. Data can be used to compare old data with new and hence see assets shrink. Ideal tool for accountants. Software provides fast calculation of volumetric information. Dynascan is ideal for use on pipeline surveys and can gather data remotely without the need for surveyors to leave the vehicle. This allows for the rapid and safe acquisition of data, especially in areas where there is a harsh climate, such as desert, or even the chance of landmines being present. Logistical planning of wind farm infrastructure can also be carried out using the Dynascan, with bridge and roadside clearance, points of interest, and vehicle access measurements easily extracted from point clouds. Pylon surveys can also be carried out using a four-wheel drive vehicle or quad bike. Not only can the metal structure of the pylons be surveyed, but the laser will also record the cables between each pylon, allowing the comparison of historic with current data to be performed. Be mounted on a quad bike for use in applications such as estuary and beach surveys, volcano terrain mapping, and other types of survey where access is difficult. The power requirements are small, and the system is capable of running for several hours continually on this type of platform. Dynascan can also be mounted on a vessel and used for coastal surveys such as slope measurement or volumetric surveys of reclaimed land. The system is easily interfaced to a multi-beam echo sounder, and bathymetric data can be recorded simultaneously alongside the laser data. Harbour, river and estuary surveys can also be performed with Dynascan mounted on a vessel or vehicle. Not only can riverbanks be surveyed, but when used at low tide, the laser can provide scanned data from the exposed river or seabed. This provides useful overlap with bathymetric data. The system is particularly useful for updating electronic navigation charts and can easily survey islands where mangrove swamps, reefs, cliffs or lack of landing facilities do not allow surveyors to be put ashore.